Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the other episode of my RX-7 build. So today is a big day, so I'm going to do some repair job on the for the low volume certificate. And I'm in the back seat of my RX-7. You see my head. Really uncomfortable to sit in a back seat if you're over like 178, because I'm 178 centimeter height. So you can see my head is, oh my god, see the angle, it's really uncomfortable. So what I'm doing today is I remove the seats. So I need to do something on the low volume race certificate form. So today I'm gonna remove the back seats and also some some bolts. And also I'm thinking something because so the certifier told me to drill a hole on the transmission side, so on this panel here. But what I'm thinking is, I'll show you here. So as you can see here, there's a, so this bolt is actually for the rear seat rail mounting point, but there's an extra hole here. Here you can see that. So this one is for the OEM seatbelt buckle. There was a rail here to hold the OEM seatbelt buckle. So what I'm thinking is, if I can make a bracket here, and so just for example, I'm not gonna use this because I'm gonna need another stronger and thicker bracket. So if I can mount a bracket here and twist it to the good angle, and then mount the seatbelt buckle for the bright seat here. So instead of drilling another hole here and so if this is a good solution, so I probably would do this, but I need to ask the Scott at Car first, see if I can do this, because so technically I think this is stronger enough to hold the new seatbelt buckle, because I'm trying to use so this one you can see is like a 2.5 millimeter, but I'm trying to do a maybe 5 millimeter bracket, and but I'm not sure. I'm still waiting for some reply from Scott and for the seat, so I can get the seatbelt buckle to mount on the bracket. So what I'm planning to do, hopefully, is a good solution without drilling another hole and too many hassle. Yeah, so today the first thing I'm gonna do is to try to remove the rear seat of the car. And before I do it, I try to lift it, but I'm not sure how to do it. And I searched online, so they said you have to, so there's this trick. So actually, so you have to, so if you have a same seat like my one, so you have to push back, so put the seat back towards the rear of the car. So push real hard, and you can see you release the hook of the seat, and there's one side is off and another side is in. You just push back and lift. Yeah, I just accidentally put the seat on again. So once you've done it, just simply lift the seat up. So the seat is gone, it's off. So be careful, don't scratch the seat. And so that's the rear of the seat, and let me show you what's this. It's pretty nasty. Yeah, you can see the original. So this one, the seat rail, the seat frame, already rusted and rotten. But luckily, so you can see here the rust is only on the surface, because I can clear the foam. So clear the foam here and spray some anti-rust, some rust killer, and to spray paint black again, so to make it cleaner. And surprisingly, so the rear of the car, oh, what's happening? Sorry for that. So the rear of the car is cleaner than I expected, because I thought there probably is some other hoses and some electric hoses, but right now you can see it's quite clean. Only one cable. I think that one is for the tail light. And yeah, is it a tail light? Or probably some another thing. I'll try to figure out. Yeah, but yeah, it's pretty good in my expectation, so that's good. And another good thing is I don't have to remove the side panel of the rear seat to expose the stereo and all other cables, so that's good. As for the back, so this one here, I probably, because I forgot to ask if I can keep this or not. Hopefully I can keep it, so I can still put something in the back without so if I hit the brake, everything will come to the front. So I don't want this happening. And you can see all the glue. I think it's supposed to have some glue here. So I would do all the, just to scrape all this old nasty, oh shit, see here it's quite nasty, eh? So get all this off and spray some rust killer. Yeah, really make this maybe I'll do this later, because I need to get a vacuum cleaner. Before I do that, I just want to make sure there's no rust through here. Right now it looks fine. Yeah, so this one just the seat frame, so inside the rear seat, so it's rusted, but all other things seems alright. Yeah. So let's see what I'm gonna do next. So I've done the remove rear seat, have vehicle scan. So all this, I probably need to go to the workshop and to do the, so this one MA fastener, the last one, MA fastener between bright seat rail, seat bracket, and the attachment bracket. So I'll show you now. See here. So what they want me to do is to ask me to drill a hole. So from each bracket. So one, two. So each bracket to drill a hole and to use an N8 bolt to secure the bracket. I think I'm confident enough to do this, so it doesn't seem to be difficult, but I just need a very strong drill, because I'm not 100% sure if my drill can work this, because it's quite old, cheap, but we'll figure it out later, because I still need to do some other simple thing first. And last time, so I already swapped the screws for my steering wheel. So the one they supplied, it actually looked not too bad. The silver is still clean and looks pretty strong. Yeah, another thing I was trying to do by myself is the light bulb, the air bright light bulb. But after some thinking, I'll probably change my mind. I'll possibly take this to a specialist, and at the same time, so they can replace other bulb, like the ABS or other kinds of light bulb for the cluster, just in case maybe someday probably another light bulb will out, then I need to remove again, so that's pretty hassle. And so the cluster, so I will give to the specialist. And so that's pretty much the update today. And so actually not too much thing left to do to get everything sorted. Hopefully I can get everything done by myself. And the cluster, so it take probably another 1 or 2 weeks, and it's pretty much done. So that's good. Yeah, and also the seat belt, so I removed from the upper harness eye. So simple job. Yeah, so today is just to try to see what I can do or cannot do by myself. And so next time I will get everything done. So this the end of the LVVTA process. So this car will finish soon. So no more hustle, no more waiting. So just to enjoy the car, enjoy the driving. Yeah, as I said before, the most important thing is to drive the car. So if you spend too much time to just fix but cannot drive legally, so that's not a good idea. Because I'm already become slightly tired after a few months without driving. And so hopefully everything will be good and I can enjoy the car purely again. So this is today's video, so I hope you guys like it. And so probably not that interesting, but I'm trying to figure out what to do next. But I hope you guys can still enjoy it and stay tuned, because next time I will do some other job to finish the low volume certificate. So it's a new start. So after I finish everything, I will start working on some other part, like because I have big plan to do the diff brakes and transmission brakes. So to make today's video more interesting, so I'm gonna do a cold start again on my RX-7, because it's been a while since the last time I warmed up the car. So watch till the end and see you next time. You guys ready?